What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be playing with my friend Pinky slash Aaliyah. Hello, Pinky.
What's up? I'm sick.
Yes,
Freaking sick.
she's sick. My throat just hurts. So today we're gonna be playing Airplane Story 3. She just chose this game randomly, and I really want to record. So yeah, let's go. Where's the airplane with much people? Oh,
Yeah.
there.
Oh.
Okay, I'm about. We'll go to the other one. Where are you? Where the fudge are you? Oh, there you go. There. Blah, blah, blah. Aaliyah, why are you alone there? Leave, Aaliyah. Okay, people here.
Hey, what? Oh, wait.
There you go. Okay. So today I might be pausing the vid. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video, and then when we get to the map, I will start recording again. See you there at the map.
We're at home.
Okay, guys. So we're here at the map. So yeah, where's my friend? Hey.
Still loading.
Oh, you're still loading. Hey.
Yeah, I'm here. Let's go.
Yes. Bro, I like this hair. You know, I kind of want this hair when I grow up. I don't know, but probably.
I want this type of hair color.
I don't want this type of hair color that I'm wearing right now. And like,
stop taunting the soldier.
Why are you scolding the captain? Why are you scolding the captain?
Taunting, like he'd be bowing at him.
Yo, my hair looks like I'm about to slam someone.
Bro.
So guys, we just started, and I don't want.
You're gonna be pointing at the freaking TV.
It's like I don't want this video to be long, so I just pause the recording, and when we are at the area where we put our uniforms, I will start recording again. So yeah, see you there. Oh guys, we are already going down the elevator, and
Taunting him.
more like General Poncho, more like I'm gonna General Poncho your face.
Wow.
Ah yes.
Look at those clothing. Look at that clothing.
Come on, give me some.
Oh, red.
Red. Mine. There's blue. You can wear the blue. Red.
Yes,
give me the freaking red.
Come
on. Give me some.
Blue.
Yay! Yes! Our favorite colors. We turn into Colgate, guys. Yeah. Let's go into so I'll pause the recording again and go to the part where we already put the stuff in. So yeah. See ya, guys. So guys, we are already about to plug the something in. So yeah, we're gonna just turn off our chat real quick since we don't even. Someone's already running! How dare you?
Let's go SWAT team.
Come on, I'm going to the yellow. Oh fudge, the yellow is hard. It's not that.
Oh, frick.
I'm being careful here at the yellow. Okay, I got the yellow. I got a gigantic fuel.
Taste of fuel. Alright, people are making it.
I already got the yellow.
Let go, team, let go. Put it in.
Someone already got the blue? Yes. Oh.
Put it in. Yay.
There you go.
When I need to, connect the wires to my PC, be like.
So guys, as you can see, we're trolling again about people. We like trolling people.
My nose is so stuffy.
Filling the tank now. Okay, I don't see any stuff here to chat. Oh, that's right. Tank full, finally. Now we are ready. We're going to the plane. I'm gonna pause the recording when I get in the plane, but
over here.
Okay, we're gonna sit together, guys. Where are you? Oh.
Right here.
Mouse where? Okay. So we'll see you guys at the part when we are already flying. Peace. So we're already flying, guys. So like, Pinky just went AFK. Oh, she's back. Okay, guys, she's back. She just went AFK for a second. Nah. These bananas aren't poisonous. Like General Poncho is just like literally pranking. I think I don't actually remember. So like, yeah, what type of sky is this? Imagine being in this type of sky. Banana, banana, banana.
Bananas.
Banon. Banane. Oh, remember us calling bananas banane in school?
Oh yeah. Banana.
It's not poisonous because like General Poncho just like pranked us.
I'm not gonna eat it.
It's not poisonous, woman.
You sure?
Yeah, he just want a prank.
Ah!
Oh my gosh, woman. It's prank.
You sure about that? Sure.
Yeah, just watch.
You sure?
Yeah,
I'm scared.
just watch. Ooh,
Oh. Okay, so I can eat it.
yes.
You sure? I don't trust myself. No.
Now go dance here. Bow. me when I see my mom buying me 10,000 Robux for the first time. Madam, us praising Roblox for Robux.
Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, may I have
back
10,000
in your
Robux? Every people's dream is just like to have 1 million Robux. You know what? I just saw this one YouTuber
Was it a
named
mess?
Mr. Beast, I think. It was Dante DM or Mr. Beast. I don't remember.
Was it a mess?
No, there's one like YouTuber who has 9 million Robux.
Bro.
I don't know if it's either.
9
I
mil?
think it's Dan TDM or like Mr. Beast, but I don't remember. I don't remember who was it. No. Oh wow, it's a thunder. A thunder full of farts of blinding girls. You better get your mask ready.
OMG, it's having another seizure.
Ah! You know who's in that plane? You know who?
We're gonna die.
Nawina.
We're gonna die.
I'm. This boy on the table is having a seizure, Aaliyah. We're gonna die. So, I just get back to the area. So, see you guys. Wait, we're gonna resume again. Hi guys, we're back. We're gonna we're at the airplane, and like yeah,
I got it.
can I have it? Oh, what is he doing? Is that how you remove planks with a hammer? Is that how you do it? Are you kidding me, General Poncho? It's over Ronald McDonald me. Bruh, it's not over. McDonald is better.
McDonald's is better than you.
Your face is better than Donald Trump.
Kidnap dudes?
No, save them. Save them. My
Save
noobs.
them.
Come
Save them
on.
except the parents.
Save them. My dudes. Come here. My dudes.
Don't say it.
Come here, my dudes. I'ma save you, my dudes. I'ma save you, my dudes.
Everyone's saved.
There. My dudes. You're saved, my
Get out of the
dudes.
way.
Come on, my
Get out of
dudes.
the way.
I'm saying my dudes.
I never got this far.
Lol. Bruh, I wish I could ride. I wish I could ride an airplane one day.
Bro, are you still doing the MO?
What the?
So I really have to help you. I'm not push you off. Everyone vote him off.
Yeah, vote him off. Oh yeah, look what I'm gonna do.
Me.
Is this guy okay? He's still doing the
Dang
same
it.
emote.
Dang it.
Guys, he's still doing the same emote.
Freaking step on your face.
Guys, I don't know what's happening. I'll turn off shift lock when I'm not playing like copies. What the heck? How did you teleport in there, Ronald? Okay, wait.
Ronald, let's sacrifice.
Guys, it's already burning after so many pause recordings. I like, oh my god. Bruh, go. Ah! Oh my god, I touched the fire, Aaliyah. Oh my god, I didn't know I had to like get away from it.
Wait, here.
Bruh,
Oh no! Look, I died!
what? Why?
I'm still in full health.
Okay. Imagine seeing a person like do this skydive. Guys, we are finally going down. Come on, let us down. Come on. I believe in you. Yeah.
Only the noob. Even the child!
Ah, yes.
The other soldier.
Wow, that dance is my
Let's
favorite.
dance to them. Let's dance to them.
Your Majesty. Oh, I bowed to the child. Oh.
Oh, wait. Let me see. I gotta do something. Salute.
My turn.
Salute.
Oh, my. Okay.
You didn't get the chance.
Yeah, they don't want the teddy bear. Give her the teddy bear. Boy, give her the teddy bear.
The freaking time.
Okay, guys, but I guess that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a fat like and subscribe. I'll be linking her channel and my cousin's channels down below and my other channels. So, yeah. See you next time when I upload BTS content. Bye!